what our collaboration will bring. Well, hello CES. My name is Aerin Jungmin from Hyundai AI Center, where our mission is to use latest innovations in AI to transform our solutions. So Marco just talked to us about the future of our equipment, each of them getting smarter and smarter. But the thing is, very few construction jobs are ever done with a single piece of equipment. In other words, construction is all about teamwork, a great number and a diverse range of equipment all working together. That's why I want to move our conversation this morning from intelligent machines to intelligent site management, because that's where how we build ultimately changes, not just what we build with. And that's where Xite comes in. Hyundai's intelligent site management solution, which will open up whole new possibilities for safety, productivity, and sustainability. And you're right, it is an incredibly complex mission where once again, AI will be central to our innovation going forward, which is why we're teaming up with the best innovators in this field. And this morning, it is my pleasure to introduce to you one of our latest partners in open innovation. Please welcome to the stage, Philip Meyer from Google Cloud. So, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Could we maybe start with a quick overview of Google and AI?
Wow, that's a big question, but sure. At Google, we believe AI is the biggest technology shift in our lifetimes. And almost since our inception, Google's been focused on three types of artificial intelligence: personal AI, societal AI, and business AI. We are so proud to be a partner with Hyundai and Xite because it's an opportunity to prove safety, sustainability, and predictability of construction sites. Our collaboration is using the current versions, the biggest versions of our Gemini models, large multimodal models. These models have been trained across trillions of pages of information and videos and trillions of parameters. They can reason across vast amounts of information.
Which is exactly why we wanted to power our XY site. First, as you can see, was making sense of all the data from our site, which is fed into this pre-trained model.
Yeah, Google's Vertex AI platform allows generative AI models to be securely and privately trained. Together, we're breaking new ground by training Google's models to understand all the data that's in XY site, and it manages specific to the construction industry. This is creating construction-specific artificial intelligence in XY site. That can answer questions and reason across your problems coming out of your construction sites. In addition, we offer hundreds of third-party and open-source models in Vertex. So using Xite, you can find the right model for the right job, whether or not it's running simulations on field data or evaluating operational forecast and decision-making.
That's right, and it's been a great learning process for us, experimenting with all the different possibilities for what we can do, what insight and information we can draw from all the data we have. But there's more, isn't there?
There sure is. Google's models, AI models, are really good at communications. They can answer questions, summarize learnings, and write in over 133 languages. This opens up XY site available to construction sites around the world. Looking on the horizon, Google's Chirp and Imagine AI models are going to open up the opportunities for voice and vision interaction. We couldn't be more excited about the roadmap that we're creating together.
That's great, and what's so important about this interaction process is it's an iterative learning process. That means as XY site continues to engage with the user, for example, recommending multiple options and learning what the particular user chooses to repeatedly, it picks up on a pattern of behavior and preferences, which ultimately helps it to personalize its recommendation in accordance with that user's priorities.
Absolutely. There's not just one optimization for everyone. Xite is actually drawing on constantly from evolving intelligence around the construction industry and making it customized to your unique company and even to your unique site's needs.
Exactly. It's all about intelligence. Before you go though, Philip, perhaps one last word on what we can do as an industry, or industries even, to help accelerate this kind of innovation?
You know, I think it all comes down to an open ecosystem approach. The breakthroughs in the internet and generative AI come from open ecosystems and collaborating effectively. Google's so proud to have launched thousands of open source AI papers since we invented the transformer algorithm back in 2017. You know, building great AI in the construction industry is really going to be around great data and lots of collaboration. You know, this is the other last reason that we wanted to mention that we're so excited about this collaboration with Hyundai. You know, Xite has taken an open architecture approach to the ecosystem, ensuring that it's not just a platform for Hyundai's own equipment, but for everyone, every manufacturer and other site operators. Demonstrating this kind of commitment to your customers and teamwork is not easy, but this open approach is critical for the construction industry to ensure that we make the breakthroughs and shared intelligence that we need to take the construction industry to the next level.
That's a great point. An open ecosystem for sharing data and sharing our innovations, of course. Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for, but it's been great talking to you. Thank you so much for being here. Please give him a big round of applause. So, that was a sort of conversation which fuels our imagination and informs our research behind site management solution. Our current smart construction platform already provides a whole range of features, like digital twin based on drone survey and 3D plans, work planning and analytics, as well as monitoring and operating fleets. An integrated cloud platform which has dramatically improved visibility on our job sites. But now, going forward, we're bringing all of this to a whole new level with Xite, our data-driven, AI-powered, next-generation site management solution. This morning, I would like to share just a few of many benefits of Xite. First, for zero accident, zero casualty construction, Xite integrated situational awareness will connect up all these different machines as well as all the information from drones, cameras, and sensors around the site so they can talk to each other, share what they're seeing and hearing, and what they're doing. That way, each equipment will have a full, multi-dimensional awareness, not just of its own surroundings, but also of the site as a whole. So beyond simply responding to what's already happening, you can foresee risks and mitigate them in advance. Second, we want to maximize productivity on our job site, ultimately bringing down idle time and downtime to zero. To reduce idle time, each equipment analyzes its own performance status using a whole range of self-diagnostic data, including vision. Xite then integrates all of this performance analysis data to identify any bottlenecks in the workflow and run simulations to work out an optimal solution. For example, by substituting other equipment or changing work positions. And to minimize downtime with AI-powered big data analytics, our fleet health management will help you ensure the full operability of your fleet at all times through real-time diagnostics as well as preventive and eventually predictive maintenance. So as you can see, from integrated site-wide safety to maximizing productivity, we're leveraging the latest digital enablers to transform the very concept of site management. There's a smart dashboard display at our exhibition booth where you can try this out yourself. So make sure to check it out and let us know what you think. Now let's hear from our CTO, who's got more to tell you about our future tech roadmap. Please welcome to the stage our Chief Technology Officer, Dong-wook Lee.